Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be checking out a variety of 360 haircuts, hairstyles, and hair transformations. So if you are in need of a fresh hairstyle, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a 360 of a bob haircut. This one comes to just below the jawline. Beautiful. Followed by a big chop transformation. So if you are going to DIY your own haircut, this is the best way that you can do it. Section your hair off, braid it up, place it in ponytails, and then cut at the demarcation line. It also helps to have someone cutting the back portion. Very nice. So she did like a little simple bob. And then we have a 360 of a mullet haircut here. This is a baby mullet, aka the mixie. Bangs in the front, long in the back. And then we have this gorgeous split dyed shoulder length cut. Oh, she's got an undercut in the back. Then we got more of a Pixie style haircut. Beautiful long bangs in the front. You could also call this a longer pixie style as well. Then we have more of like a shoulder length wolf cut style. And then more of a shoulder length bob with bangs, curtain style bangs. Love the money piece highlight look in the front as well. And we have another Pixie style. Oh, and they also have the split dye trend, copper on one side, black on the other. And then showcasing how to style the haircut. Next up, we have a Pixie haircut transformation. Oh, this is so cute. Then we got a Shaggy bob style. One of the most popular hair trends for 2023. So the stylist ended up doing like flip curls with this one that is very anime inspired. So cute, and that seems to be a really popular hair trend on TikTok right now. Then we have another Pixie style bob here, aka a pixie bob. And it seems like she does have purple going on. I love it when women match their hair to their fingernails and then their lipstick. That just looks so pretty to me. Yeah, I would say she's definitely rocking kind of like a pixie style bob. Very cute and modern. And then we have someone doing the butterfly cuts. She's going to be doing some DIY layers. And this is, of course, one of the best ways that you can get your own like DIY layered haircut. Using the unicorn method to do the ponytails. Very cute. She did a great job with this. Alright you guys, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyles, be sure to check out this video next.